Hi guys, today I will show you how to generate QR code for UK Immigration ID Check app in 2025. This is an step-by-step guide. Make sure to watch till the end so that you never miss any information. So, let's begin. Open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. So, in Google Chrome there is a clickable menu button in the top right corner. Click on the button and scroll down to find Google Play Store. Click on that and it will take you to the Google Play Store website. Also you can go to Apple Store for the iOS version of the app. In Store search for UK Immigration ID Check app. Install the app on your Android or iOS smartphone. In this app you can prove your identity when you make an application, or you can access e-visa or update details accordingly. You can scan QR code that will be shown in the immigration website, and you can connect the app by scanning the QR code. With this app you can also take images of your passport. Also you can access the chip in your passport by NFC. Moreover, you can take selfie to attach your image and do verify the passport and related informations. That's it. Easy and simple.